morning, Fiji. And good morning, world.
Dan no kiro post tala tudi ko kiro sa post don.
Yeah. And I'm not going to BSP like.
Hey.
And I put this breakfast crackers.
Hey, sa bola resi su tu chase.
Sema que diz semua. Si tu agora kemarau.
Kiro kemro menrobo untuk kasita tumuna. Kemro menrobo untuk kasita.
Boleh. Orang tahu apa?
Ayawa. Ayaw no musote men.
Não boleh kutai.
Men lupa main nasote gori, lupa main. Kerongan di kampung yung gacung. Ada.
Hey, Australia, America, New Zealand, kia ora.
Lete tibuna tolbina Merry Christmas BTFM. Benaka. Uy. Oh, na ba jin asale bika gomes.
Orang bukai malo
Ano ba?
Malo bukai.
Aya, berka bibi mo nilaw sa tibuka mo.
Mokila, temu na ko na boleh sampai. Ayo.
Berka ni bulu benaka cese ba kusar ba lek ba no ngabir no kantor ro gulmai.
Yeah.
Era mata likwa.
Big Bolominaka to all of our family, Fiji.
Yeah.
Fiji the way the world should be a big Bolominaka to you all and to all our friends in the Pacific.
Yep.
Malole to Tonga and Samoa.
Right.
And around the world, Australia, New Zealand. If you're watching, thank you very much for watching on the Out Palagi show and listening to the VTFM because it's Ouchie and Amigo.
Okay, alright. Dosa na tibu sa mata likwa.
Right.
Lebu di no na rerba kiro to na tabale no marita. Okay. Lebu di no na rerba kiro to na tabale no marita. Sala ki buri tagi kwetu ena lo mani kobate. Ngai tombonga ni sabutu maira na mbele miliku.
That's careful of Marida when she saw her all over Tavali.
Right.
He camouflaged her body to a small kapot, but they realized that they saw the tongue of her dress slipping down.
One gap, eh?
Yes, one gap.
Okay.
Slipping down one gap.
Tongue?
Yes, slipping down one tongue.
Okay. Ratombilo mbalo taki maramatau na dhorbo ni wanimbuka. E wata tamu saranga nambalui maramatau. E na kau ni remu ertombiu tabua.
You know, they were chicking chubby chicking.
Yeah,
they were chubby chicking this maramatau of Wanimbuka, the boys.
And say chubby chasering.
They're chubby chasering. The Maramani Wanimbuka, the boys. And they realized the Marama, this chick, is getting redder and redder and redder.
Okay, alright, don't go. Ausanruka e na kau ori no ndangunupo na menololio sailasa. Ngona mesando matini tu kina ena ngona. En ramita nga paurua e oti na mena bonbon.
You know, I was thinking, and I was wondering, I was horrified when this guy, when this guy, Selasa, drinks his bonbon, and whenever he drinks it, the whole of that bonbon, lick it twice, it disappears.
Okay. Na kau ni mara when I sing the shudungo. Sarao ni fakawele taki ke na isulu na lo malikato.
You know the happiness of this Christmas, this week.
Right.
I think my mom or my cousin or my sister will advertise all our clothes.
All right. Okay. Right. Kere nana o junior esi sudutiko. Me kako ni bayabala me no indini bola ke lai taura talitu eran dua na batunua.
You know, mommy, Mbu, you not supposed because baby is still boring. It's still boring and sleeping.
Right.
Don't on your engine. Don't on your engine.
Why?
Don't on your engine when you're gonna go to that occasion and on off your language.
Right. Alright. Arto munu oinim bele na ilala durbo. Arto munu unen kono tungamai. Arto lagi yang buta ko susar na lobo.
That parcel of boys. Those parcel of boys, they drink the green leaf when they wanna finish the cover and fancy doing the logo, but not yet finish and boot.
Okay. Kaya wasi keli be non mbumbu me barista ka manta na lumana. Eden baris ni saba. Ni saba kilau ka na mila ni roro.
You know, this guy, or this mommy and the boo,
small boy,
Big Sugar, told her boo that he or she supposed to go and brush her mouth because her boo felt that there's some injury happening inside the vocal cord.
Alright, let's go again. Guys, okay. Don't that miss okay. Don't that miss your Ben Burotu?
Isa.
Karuangan into na buni new. Kuri tagi ko ito yung na tangilamba. Category number 5.
You know, my brother here, Ben Burotu, from Tabua, Koro. You know, this Ben Burotu, when he danced like a tall, long tree. When a category 5 is shaking him.
Okay, taman weekendar na tayo ko again. Taman mga ruta ka man sa nauli ko si weekendar. Me ibagande yan na matay ko. Okay. Lewo din no na reba kiro to na tabale no marida. Sala ki buri tay kwento ya na lomani ko pa. Gai topo nga ni sabu tumaira na nona mbele miliku.
You know, when Marida was scared of her cousins coming and attacking her on a cover ball, they and she camouflage her body in a small container, and they realize that the tongue of her dress is slipping down the gap. Hey Marina, if you're hiding, somebody there hiding, don't hide in a cupboard because your tongue dress will be slipping down the gap.
Oi, warta cuma seri mau kere kuka. Au kere kuka.
Ade bari garan ko seri garan ko.
Era una kakalese era una que boleh besar mais. Isa. Ana cese keluman negara vitabi. Oi malua seri ana itasiri.
Tumuna ko rene. Senama sarwata.
Era una que samu, era una que mai tahu. Boleh tahu,
kalau ini untuk kunen nene.
Iya. Warta cuma samu, I know it.
I know you.
Yeah, know it. Yeah. Wana uchese wana na ubwe.
Oyo.
Sangu terima marongo bikin na kanda. Bikin na keke rau.
Yo. Marau. Saya tuh nanti udah mulai kanggor marau. Kuno langsung tegale kenapa?
Ada benar ke Jack Pain?
Jack mulai menangkap from Australia.
Dan sana cuma serima.
Let me think.
Let me think.
Okay. Bersagi. Kemudian apa? Senai, Iraq, Dolan.
Belum nak ke Hobart Tasmania. Ada benar ke Pita?
Mr. Pita belum nak apa?
Oi, warta cuma yo Rabuama Raisua. Boko na dina.
Kuni boko na dina karena apa? You know, if I'm the bird, I will be the bird. I'm flying.
Ada benar ka film batiwale Pacific Haba. Maru tagi cuka ngunti bakal lama-lama bermatang di kuah.
Boleh, ngunti apa?
Bakal lama-lama tuh bona.
Kere kan mai. Nah, boleh masih mau cumai. So dia bisa bikin nasi.
Aku kan no mekebu.
Boleh, alright. Tumailnya kayak rau.
Serima ya.
Boleh.
Iya.
Kere. Awang rau.
Jimmy naik kandawa. Royan benak rau Joe. Ana benaka.
Tomulan aku.
Au chuna kuka kalesi gadondwa.
Kalesi.
Kurisoli buku-buku cik bertusen doa.
Tinggal kemudian aja.
Lelei. Hey, har benar ka Jack we pain?
Pulang aku Jackie.
Dan lu kipat tuang kan benar ka Wati, bukan di benar ka. Teno Billy yang benar ka. Gar benar ka mana Sole.
Toso, seremat seri, sukar yang kau menimbil. He.
Ana na. Ayo, Mr. Bean, men. Okay, no, Mr. Bean kira-kira Ndrembili. Ndrembili, Mr. Bean. Oi, tarun kembro cuma Ndrembili mau singa toka. I know it. Samu and Rosa Rambuli.
Tunggu aku singa toka, telepon. Ndrembili kiri aku na, buat wajah di boy.
Moses sebunisa, orang benar benar kan dikira mentan di sini nonton butako. Oke, terus apa mau dicek?
Ya benar benar sama kemana? Aus Palagi so the BSP like kena Punjas breakfast crackers. Akan sama kemai. Terus saya tadi mataka. Kalau nggak dito marau ti orang ada di situ orang yang bola. Marau kalau nggak mataka tali.
Happy dah.
Oh, Merry Christmas.